When you want to put something like soup in your backpack, it's always important to stretch wrap the container. Is it unreasonable to have half an apple pie for breakfast? Business meeting. Joking, just joking. Check this out. This rat trap right here was given to me by one of the neighbours, and I gratefully accepted, but I don't want to kill the rat, I just want to catch him. But check this out. This is one of the... This is set now, so I'm trying to be really careful about touching it. But this is a terribly designed rat trap. I would suggest that this rat trap right here is very poorly designed. I've kept similar rodents and their teeth are bigger than these spikes, and those rodents fight each other and they bite each other, but they don't always die. These teeth are not enough to kill the rat, certainly not instantly. This is going to catch him and it's going to keep him wounded for several hours until he dies. So for me, this isn't really a rat trap, this is more like a rat torture device. I don't dig this. I'm not questioning people who want to kill the rat with their inhumane rat traps, but at least try and get one that is going to be instant death so the rat doesn't know about it, right? This is just cruelty in my opinion. You need to get one that's either humane or one that kills instantly. But don't use these, because this isn't enough. If you're lucky, I guess the shock of the incident would be enough to kill that rat. But I don't know. Just seems cruel. Alright, this is one of the steps that I'm most worried about now, which is I've got to cut off that excess piece right there. I need to figure out where the sink is going to be situated before I can build the drawers that go in this middle section, so there's no choice. I'm at the point where I've got to cut. Homemade chicken soup today. Try and balance out that apple pie I ate earlier. What do you think?
I like it. Very fancy that. Bye.
Bye bye. See you later. Maya's going home to make dinner. I've got to stay here. I've got some editing to do. I'm I'm just sat doing the edit for yesterday's video, and normally I like to make sure that there's some like little nugget of information or a moral of the story or just something of substance or something useful. This video is just a montage of me doing things. That's all I got for today. See you later.